Hey everybody, it's Roy from MarvelQuotes on EpicDroid.com, and I'm here today with the Kickstand Pro and the Glide Hybrid from VRS Design for the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Now these cases also go by other names. This one is also called the TerraGuard or the Guardian, and this one is also known as the Damda Glide Ultra. The cases are very similar, however they do have one or two small differences that we're going to show you guys here today. Now just a quick word of note, I was not able to get my hands on the real S26 Ultra. What I do have here is a dummy device. For all intents and purposes, it is a real device, it just doesn't turn on. But it's going to work great for the video here today. Now these cases do come in a wide variety of colors and patterns, and they do go for about $30 to $35 on Amazon. And we'll have links in the description down below where you can order them for yourselves. Now as we said, the cases are very similar. You'll see here that they are very similar in shape and size as well as weight. They have a lot of the same features. They have these bumper corners where you're able to drop that and you don't have to worry about the device getting hurt. You have this nice little grip here on the sides. They do have power and volume buttons that I'll show you here in just a second. They are very clicky and they're very responsive. Here on the sides you do have lanyard loops. Those are on both sides. You have your USB-C charging ports, your speaker and microphone ports, as well as a port for your S Pen. Putting them on the device, it's the same for both of them. Just go ahead and take your phone, find the power and the volume buttons. You slide those in first. Pop it down around the corners. And then presto, you are good to go. You'll see here it does have a nice big cutout there for your camera flash and other sensors. Those cutouts are nice and deep so that you don't have to worry about damaging those if you do happen to set it down. They do have the raised feet on them that does remove a little bit of that extra wobble from that raised camera bump. However, it's not going to be completely perfect. There will be a little wobble, and you'll find that with pretty much almost every case that I have used for this device. Here's those power and those volume buttons. You can hear there that they're very clicky. Again, it's not a real device, so it's not going to turn on. But on a real device, these are very responsive. I did forget to point out they also have cutouts here for your noise canceling mic up top. Now as far as the features that set them apart, what you have here is you have a little MagSafe ring. That MagSafe ring does also double as a kickstand, so you can pop that in and out. It is secured using magnets. Now that ring does allow you to use MagSafe chargers as well as other MagSafe accessories. Because this isn't a real device, it doesn't charge. However, you can see that it would fit there perfectly and it'll line up with those chargers without a problem. You also have the same thing over here on this case. You got that little MagSafe ring. Presto, pops on there and you should be good to go. Because of the thickness of it, I don't know if the MagSafe charging would work on this case. You'll have to try that yourselves. However, it does work with other MagSafe accessories. Now this one, the kickstand, does work as well. You can pop that in there. You can use either one in a landscape or in a portrait mode. Then the last feature here that sets them apart is on this one right here. This is the Glide case, or the Glide Hybrid. You have this little piece right here. You just slide that to the side and you can go ahead and you can put credit cards, driver's licenses, or whatever else you want to store in there. The case does hold up to about 5 different credit cards here. I've got my fake ones from Xfinity that they send me in the mail all the time. Just pop those in, slide it closed, and those are protected and you don't have to carry your wallet with you. When you're all ready to go, just pop it on out and the cards do pop right out. But there is the two cases in a nutshell. We'll have links in the description down below where you can order them for yourselves. If you have any questions about the cases, about the phone, or about anything else you've seen in this video, please feel free to leave a comment in the comment section down below and we'll reply as soon as we're available. If you've enjoyed this video and you want to see more like it, please remember to give us a thumbs up and to share it with your friends. And as always, just want to tell you guys thank you for watching, thank you for all your support, and you all have an awesome day.